have never seen a robot like this. It has to be the first time. What is this thing?
My first reaction when I saw the robot, I said, what? You're gonna do what? What you're gonna do? How? Okay.
Rather than spending time in line waiting for food or coffee, or having to stay nearby to the cafeteria, our technology allows employees more freedom to spend time how they want, where they want. Whether it's having a late lunch at your desk during a busy day, or going outside and enjoying a snack with colleagues, our robots can help.
So what we're doing is, we're using robots to autonomously deliver food, drinks, and snacks to customers.
We're enabling everyone to order food directly to their building or anywhere they want outside. Beyond the convenience of having food delivered, we aim to save people time. So how does it work?
A campus employee or visitor will go to starshipdeliveries.com.
Download the app on your mobile device and you're in there. That's it. Start ordering food today.
They open the app and they're presented with many options that are available from the local cafeteria.
You can get a burger, you can get a Philly cheesesteak, you can get popcorn, you can get whatever you want.
They drop a pin on the map and that pin represents where they're going to meet the robot. They finalize payment and then they go to a screen that says how long it'll take till the robot arrives. Typically this is 15 minutes or less. The kitchen receives a notification that a customer has just placed an order through the Starship app.
When we get an order, we stop what we're doing, we make that order first, get it out quick as we can.
While the kitchen is preparing the meal, the robot starts to travel from either its most recent meeting point or from a staging area to the kitchen itself. The kitchen then places the meal in the robot and then dispatches it to the customer. The customer will receive a notification that says your robot's en route. The robot uses the most efficient and quickest method to drive autonomously to the customer. The customer will then receive another notification when the robot has arrived at the meeting point. The customer is then notified to come down and meet the robot. They'll be able to then unlock the robot and take their food.
So this small little cute robot delivered my lunch today.
I just love getting my food out to the masses. This is a different, better way to do it.
I would absolutely use this service again. Probably tomorrow.
Do you remember the last time you played pool or billiards? For sure it was the same way you did all the previous times before. We present you Pool Live AR, combining the state-of-the-art technology with these great sports.
Pool Live AR revolutionizes the way you play pool by detecting the pool table, cue and balls.
Pool Live AR is the continuation of a very popular project called Pool Live Aid. Pool Live Aid was started back when we were just students in 2012. Back then our only goal was to create an application that showed onto the table the trajectories of the balls.
The system analyzes those elements to bring you several effects and computing animations. The system is capable of detecting balls, strikes and pockets. The animation can be enabled, disabled and even customized through your smartphone app. A white line can help you out in the hardest of moves if you wish so. From within the app, you can select how many reflections you wish to see shown on the table or just hide them altogether. You can also make them only visible from within the live stream.
We want to take Pool Live AR to a very new level by not only showing the trajectories, but by also showing animations onto the table, enable automatically recordings and also positioning saving for sharing with other players and resuming at any time if we want to train or anything else we want.
All your moves are automatically saved and are accessible immediately on your smartphone. From there, you can watch every replay and even share it to social networks. You can also save the game state anytime you want and reload it for later practice. All saved game states are shared in a built-in pool social network, where you can share your game state, see other people's solutions to that particular problem.
This way, we think we not only benefit amateur players, but also professional players.
Barbecue, workshop and meeting room.
I'd like to introduce you to the latest product in our collectible range, the amazing K-Max. When you're using large numbers of balls, refilling baskets and trolleys, the Max is a must. Nothing is easier or more effective. Simply roll the cage over the 60 balls to collect and then dispense. With the K-Max, you won't believe the results. So the question is, can you do without it?
Are you looking for a new way to enjoy the snow-covered mountains? See the slopes in a totally different way on a Snogo, and it's as easy as riding a bike. Snogo introduces a new generation of snow sports by combining the intuitive feel of a mountain bike with the mechanics of skiing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to winter sports, Snogo has a short learning curve. Simply step into the stump pad bindings with any winter boots and you're off. Steer your turns with the adjustable handlebars, and the 13 integrated pivot points do the work, mimicking the free motions of skiing, so you'll never catch an edge. It's stable when it needs to be, aggressive and agile when you ask for it. Snogo allows you to get the most out of any resort. Rip through groomers, moguls, powder, trees and parks with more ease and confidence than ever before. And getting on and off the lift is easy, with a built-in chairlift hook and counterbalance design. Even if you grew up on the slopes, you'll start seeing the mountain differently. Snogo gives you more adventure and longer days on the slopes with its unique design. 3 integrated all-mountain wood core twin-tip skis offer stability. And our patented slat stabilizes the ride while ensuring perfect parallel form on every run. RockShox's front fork suspension reduces impact and fatigue. CNC'd 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum keeps the Snogo under 32 pounds. Sealed bearings and stainless steel hardware prevent rust. And a simple 3-step toolless quick-release system lets you take the bike apart with a single hand, so you're on and off the mountain in no time. We've designed the Snowgo to be stable, intuitive, and fun for everyone, no matter what kind of adventure you're seeking. Snowgo, carve your next adventure. Reserve yours today and be the first to lock in early bird pricing on Indiegogo.